Hi everyone. Hi, hello. This is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, helping you make money online. I've got a big announcement to make. We have got the best free training you have ever seen on the planet for affiliate marketers online to get the heads round social media marketing, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, emails, the lot. Okay, before I tell you how to get this, I'd like you to tell me where you're from and what country you're from so I can help you in your country make money online at home. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notifications button. You'll get top tips as they happen. How do you get your 130 free training videos? Well, I'm going to put the link below because there's a new, well, it's not a new kid on the block. I've teamed up with Ian Wallace Harper and Graham Holroyd, and together we are called Inspire Freedom. We would like to invite you to our Facebook group and get this free training. We've also got a free ebook that's worth $97. So click the link below, go get it, and I'll see you in the group. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and notifications button. And I'll see you on the inside, guys. Bye.